Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to log out of your Fortnite Epic Game account on PS5, Xbox, PS4, Switch and PC. So to do that, go to the Epic Game website on a browser, then click sign in, then at the top right corner log into your Epic Games account. Then from there go to settings, then click on your profile icon at the top right and select account. Then on the left panel click connections, then after that click on account, then disconnect your console. So find the console which you want to disconnect. So it could be PS5, Xbox, PS4, Switch or PC you want to log out from. Then click disconnect and confirm the action. Then after that restart your Fortnite. So open the Fortnite on your console or PC. You will now be prompted to sign in with a different Epic Games account or link a new one, and that's it. That's a simple way to log out of your Fortnite Epic Games account on PS5, Xbox, PS4, Switch and PC, and that's it.